Hello, friends and family. We are about to make some grilled cheese and some tacos for dinner.
What about cheese? Don't you need cheese to make grilled cheese?
Yeah, we need cheese, blue bonnet, bread, and to make the tacos, we need a taco thing. I don't know what it's called.
Come look up here. To make your tacos,
We are going to use
what is that?
this
Turn it around so they can see.
Mission Extra Fully Extra Fluffy. Mission Fluffy.
Okay. What else?
We have original taco.
Show it to the camera.
Spices.
Show it to the camera.
Spices flavors.
The spices
And we
flavor.
have Old El Paso.
Yeah. What's this over here, Heaven?
This is chicken.
Yep. And what's this over here? Do you know what this is called?
That is a green bell pepper.
Mm-hmm. And what is this?
This is a onion.
Mm-hmm. And what's this?
Tomato.
Tomato. Okay, close that because Mizzy is falling. All right, so let's go ahead and get a butter knife.
Butter knife. Yeah, butter.
Come on over here, Tony. You gotta know the house.
Do you
by
want
now.
some my butter dance, kids?
We just moved in, guys, so excuse the boxes. Everything is not taken out the boxes yet, so bear with us. And that's why he didn't know where the silver was.
Yeah.
And this is not on.
I thought that was the
And
butter.
kids, make sure you ask make sure to be careful with the knife, and sometimes ask a parent.
It's a butter knife, so yeah. Hi, little person. What do you got to say? Are you ready for some grilled cheese? Yeah. You like? Yeah. And what else? Yeah. Yeah. Go. Go. Cook. Cook it up. Cook it. Cook it. Cook it. Yeah. Yeah, chocolate monster. Making brownies. Look at your shirt and your face. Ouch. You got it all over my clothes. What?
We make chocolate milk. We get it all.
You got some on your face too. You finna eat some brownies. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama.